there's age limits on YouTube.
Oh well.
Some things can't be done. Okay, who's the next one?
Here.
I'm gonna edit this and find whatever he just did.
Here, Lizzie, come over here. You're gonna film my decision-making process.
Okay.
On this.
The reflection of the cards.
Okay, got it.
Comfortable.
Incredible.
You got cards? Gosh. I'm gonna go with those.
Did you even show the camera what it was?
Wait, who's judging? Oh.
Oh.
Oh, thanks for the enthusiasm.
Sorry.
Comfortable.
Portable.
Cozy, snug, and restful. Snakes.
Gross.
Earwigs. Ew. Earthquakes. They're restful. Picking your nose.
We know her well.
Oh, hum.
Oh, hum.
Earth moves for you. I like that just because of that. Who picked earthquakes?
You push it towards me.
Foliage.
I think snakes are comfortable. Haven't you ever seen Jungle Book? Put your mids.
Did the earth move for you?
Jill, we're tied.
No, Chuck Norris did a push-up.
Oh.
Wait, you don't have to film everything, Lizzie.
What'd you say?
You don't have to film
did you
everything,
say?
Elizabeth.
What? I must film. I don't even remember what the card was.
Who's judging?
Me.
You're gonna like that one.
I forgot what I put.
Oh dear. Here we go.
Can't even.
Hold on.
Okay. Here we go.
Everyone can totally see what it
Okay,
is.
for temperamental, we have
Oh, this one would have worked.
piranhas. We have trampolines. Bounce, 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 bouncy, 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 bouncy. Pyromaniacs. The San Andreas Fault. Carnivorous fish found in rivers of South Africa when you feel like a bite.
Don't worry, everyone. They're man-eating piranhas. Women and children, you're safe.
Yeah, so am I. What?
So am I. Are you neither of those two? Women and children?
I'm a man-eating piranha. Good job. For that, I'm going with piranhas.
Now
Yes!
the winning ones are...
See this? This right here? If I can zoom out.
This is Jill owning.
Try it
This
this
is
way.
Jill winning. This is winning. This is what winning looks like.
what Nick is.
That's what losing looks like. Winning, losing.
Look at Jacob. Look at Jacob.
Fail.
Can't turn it.
I can't turn it. I just
Look,
did.
look, all the cards I've won describe me.
Yes.
See?
I have
Winner.
baked, dead, meek, and scenic.
Okay, next. For odd, we have scavenger hunts.
Read the
Great
description.
Depression. Underwear. And push-ups. Only if Chuck Norris is doing them.
Oh, thank God for editing.
Okay, yeah, push-ups.